Hey girl, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Maya Marie. I do a whole bunch of hair tutorials. Comment below what you want to see. Today we'll be doing half wig, half Fulani braids.
Wow.
Hey girl, in this hairstyle you're going to need a half wig. So I got mine from the beauty supply and hair color too. You can find the exact one in the description box below. And you're going to need to know how to braid or cornrow. I do have a video on how to cornrow coming very soon. So first things first, you want to start from one tip of your ear to the next and give yourself a nice part in the center of your head. Get your gel and put that on the part and clean it up. Then you're going to start from your nose to get it dead in the center. You're going to do a part from the middle of your head to where that first part is at. I like to have a mirror behind me, but it really doesn't matter for this style because you're literally putting a wig on the back of your head. But if you want to try to get that middle part as clean as possible, you can do that. Side note, I know y'all gonna say, oh, she already jumped to the cornrows. No, I'm actually not cornrowing my hair right now. I just like to do this a different way. So basically, I part my hair. You need to ask yourself, do I want my braids tiny? Do I want them big? Do I need to add some extension, like some more hair, just in case my hair is not full enough in the braid? So I like to go through, part each section, and then put them into some flat twist. And I do this because I want to really see how this hair is going to look in the front. I want to see, did I space the braids out good? Or rather, are the sizes proportional? Do I like the way that it curves? You know, all those details. Do I want to put a little style in the top and the front of it? Side note, I did that and I forgot to show it. But anyways, we'll digress. So that's what I do before I jump into the very first cornrow, which I'm going to start obviously on the very end of my head. Well, actually, it's up to you. You can do the middle. You can start with the middle of your head. It really doesn't matter where you start. But I have these little clip thingies that go as a ring on your finger, and they're really pointy because they help you get stitch braids. And so I find this is very helpful. If you don't have these, you don't need them at all. You can get you a rat tail comb. You could get you glue a fingernail on. If your fingernail is long enough, then you can use your finger. Like, this is just an extra tool to use. Take out as much baby hair as you prefer, and remember that over time the hair is going to come out of the braid, so don't start with more than what you want. And so I use my little tool and I just part one little piece. I section that piece off into 3 pieces. I braid it about 2 or 3 times because you don't want the braid to look like it's starting far back. You want to braid 2 or 3 times in its place before you add any extra hair. I did a lot more than 2 or 3 times in there. Anyways, so then you're going to get your next piece of hair. See, I use a rat tail comb because sometimes it's just easier. Get your little piece. Make sure the pieces that you take from this one braid are also proportional. You can see I didn't do that because it's actually pretty hard, but I did try. So as long as you're trying, I guess that's what matters. Anyways, I'm just going to do the same process. Again, I did not really show or talk about how to cornrow, so that's a different video. But I just do this process over and over. I take my time. Your arms are going to be tired. That's okay. It's worth it. The final result is worth it because when you go slow, you'll be more precise. You get the right amount of hair, the right parts, etc. So the next few minutes, I'm just going to be showing my braiding process.
Situations. Come on, y'all. We look right. Hey, yeah. But you gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys. I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl.
must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on she regardless. Get my goon and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making merch, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm rebel. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like heaven. Oh, God. You a bum ass bitch, you messy. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in, bitch, up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt. And all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho. Knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar. Sport, I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. With a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, for real. Yeah, Reds Beach, nigga, I'm one-on-one. Nah, I can't make you mines, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping this so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want a stupid bitch.
Let's really take this in. Oh my gosh, I did it, y'all. And I told you I did the design at the top of my head. I forgot to show. I'm so sorry. So I was pretty proud of myself because I am no expert at cornrow, especially no stitch braids. So baby, I think for the cornrows, the key is to make mistakes, start over, and take your time, for real. Okay, so now we're going to get to the back of our head, the half wig. The piece that really, really sets the style up for fame. Okay, so it really doesn't matter how big, how small, how chunky the dookie braids are on the back of your head. Because 9 times out of 10, you're going to have a curly wig. Side note, this is the wig that I got. I got it from the beauty supply. It was like between $20 and $30. I don't know exactly. I got one bead to match my exact hair. Or no, I got 2. Oh, yeah, two. That's my hair color. I'll be forgetting, child. And then, yeah, I just got curly. So you're going to have curly hair. It don't really matter the size of the braids that's in the back of your head. So you can choose to style the half wig before or after you put on your head. But I like the way my curls bounced. And so I kept it the same. I will say your half wig will probably not have enough clips. So I think I show. Yeah, I do show later on. I use my bobby pin. Go ahead, clip it in. And don't worry if it looks a little weird between where your cornrows stop and where the wig starts, because we'll figure that out. So yes, bobby pins make the look come together. So first, I'm just using my bobby pins to clip the places that are not secure. And then I'm going to take a small piece of hair at the top center of my head, right? So you take a very small piece. I don't know if I showed it. Oh, I think I did show it. And yeah, you see that? Like I don't look realistic. So you take a small piece of hair and then you just pull it to the side in front of the gap, I guess, for lack of better words. And then you bobby pin it down. Literally that simple. So then you can't tell where the separation is between the cornrow and the wig. It just looks like it flows. You know what I mean? And then I will say I did put like little butterfly clips. So if you want to put little butterfly clips at the top because it still don't look right to you, or, you know, some other different type of, you know, style, zhuzh it up if you want to, make it look better. But yeah, this is the final look. It took me maybe 3 hours. I'm not going to lie. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 hours. But that's all to say. It did not take me long at all. And then you got to do a little shape test. Make sure the wig is intact. And that's all. Like, you can do this. I'm telling you. You don't gotta be no, oh, I'm not a professional. You don't gotta be professional. You can do this style, and it lasted me 3 weeks, and it was super cute, and it lasted. The curls kind of gave me, I was kind of getting tired of curls, but, you know, get a better wig if you want it to last longer. And yeah, I do these styles all day, baby. So comment below what style you want to do, you want a little tutorial on, and I got you. All right, you can look me crazy, but don't be mad when your wig fall off during that dinner day during church, girl. Do the shake test, I'm telling you.